Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device meets the minimum requirements and has at least 20% battery, or better, is plugged in to avoid interruptions. Once done, make sure your Fortnite account is linked to Epic, Google, or Apple so progress is preserved. Next, open the App Store or the Epic Games app and locate Fortnite. Tap Update if visible. This starts downloads and prepares game files. You're initiating the update now, so wait for the first data transfer to begin. As the update proceeds, monitor the download size and remaining time. Use Wi-Fi for big patches to save mobile data. While that runs, make sure background app refresh is enabled and that you have enough free storage. Otherwise, the installer can fail. If the download stalls, close other heavy apps and either tap Resume in the store or restart the Epic launcher. You do this because network hiccups or low storage often interrupt installs. Resolving them keeps the update moving smoothly. When the installer finishes, tap Open and sign in to verify your account items and progression restored correctly. Then load a quick match or lobby to confirm skins and purchases appear. Once you see stable gameplay, you're done. If the update fails or you encounter errors, clear the app cache or reinstall Fortnite and make sure Epic servers aren't down before contacting support. This stepwise check prevents unnecessary reinstallations. Try the simple fixes first, then escalate only if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.